Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Zoho CRM Connector with Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool integration helps you connect Zoho CRM with your Odoo system, ensuring real-time synchronization of leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. Say goodbye to manual data entry and keep both platforms updated effortlessly. With smooth two-way communication, you can streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and maintain accurate customer insights across both systems. So, first of all, we will go into the Zoho connector, and here you can see I have created one connector named Zoho. So, in Zoho credential, add your client ID, add your client secret key, and update your country endpoint. Here we will be selecting India. After that, click on Authenticate button and you can see the Zoho connector is connected to the Zoho account. Now, here you can see one generated URL. Click on that and click on Accept. Now, after accepting, you can see authentication details is updated, access token, refresh token, and code are updated automatically. After that, we will go into our Zoho account and here you can see your Zoho homepage. Here we will go into our leads menu and here you can see all the leads we have created. And in contacts, you can see all the contacts we have created. Other than that, in settings, you can see your users. Here I have created two different users. This was your Zoho account. Now, again, we will come to our Odoo and here you can see a contacts tab. Under that, you will see two checkbox named import contact and export contact. Enable both the checkbox and save it. Now, under that, you will see a button named contact scan. Click on that and you can see Zoho contact import. 84 contact imported successfully while 0 contact fails. Same for the export. Your 37 contacts is exported successfully. And in the contact log history, you can see the import export successful message. Also, you can click on the export 37 successful and you can see the list of the 37 successful contacts which has been exported. And if you click on the import 84 successful, you can see the 84 successful contacts that has been imported. Now, after that, we will go into our contacts module. Open this module and here you can see all the contacts. Now we will go into the tree view and in here you can add your custom group. We will select Zoho contact ID. Now you can see all the contacts according to their Zoho ID. Here if you click on any one of the contact, any one of the Zoho ID, you can see the contact of that Zoho ID. Remove the filter and now create a new contact. Here I am creating my new contact named Sophie. Save it. Now we will create one more contact. I am naming this contact as Millie. Again, save your contact. So, as you saw, we created two different new contacts named Millie and Zoe. We will come to our tree view and will select both our contacts. Here in action button, you will see one menu named Zoho Export Partner. Click on that. Here you can see your type is contact, your Zoho connector and two contacts which we selected. Now click on export contact and here you will get a notification saying two contacts exported successfully. Now we will go into our Zoho module, Zoho account, and in here in contacts you can see your two contacts. You can see here Sophie and Millie, which is been exported successfully. Now after this we will again go to our Zoho connector, open that module, open your Zoho, and you will find a tab called lead. Open that. Here also you will find two checkbox, import lead and export lead. Enable the checkbox. After that you will find two new fields named salesperson and sales team. Add the data in there and save it. After that, click on lead scan button. When you click on lead scan button, you can see 25 leads imported successfully and 22 leads exported successfully. And also in lead log history, you can see the history. Here you can see the 22 successful export, and here you can see 25 successful imports. Now we will go into our CRM module. Here we will find a menu named leads, and here you can see all the leads. Now we will go to our Zoho account, and in leads menu we can see the leads which has been exported. Now here we will create a new lead. In company we will add BrowseInfo's opportunity. In last name we will add opportunity, and in first name we will add BrowseInfo. Now click on save. So here you have created a new lead and you can see all the details from here. Now after that we will hop on to our leads and we will refresh it. Now we will go into our Zoho connector. In Zoho, in leads tab, again we will click on lead scan. Here after clicking on lead scan, you can see one leads imported successfully. In lead log history, you can see that one lead which has been imported successfully. Here you can see all the information and also the salesperson and sales team which we have added in our lead tab. Now again we will jump into our CRM module, and in leads we will find a add custom group. Click on that, click on Zoho lead ID, and here you can find all the lead IDs generated from Zoho. And if you click on any one of that ID, you will see the leads under that. Here we will go into our lead which we just created, BrowseInfo's opportunity, and here we will find a tab named Zoho details. Here you can see the Zoho connector, here you can see the Zoho lead ID and also the failure region. This field is for when you are trying to import or export any leads or anything, and if it fails, you can see the reason in here. Now select any two leads, and from Zoho export lead, you can also export these leads if they are not exported. So again we will go into our Zoho connector. In Zoho, after contact and leads, we will go into our user tab. Click on import and export user checkbox and save it. Now after that we will click on user scan button, and here you can see three different type of notifications: Zoho user import export which has been failed. And also you can see the 7 user imported successfully and 3 users failed. And that 3 user failed because it is already existed in your Odoo. Here you can see the 7 imports successfully, and here you can see the 3 records which has been failed successfully. Now we will go into our settings. Under user and companies, we will select user, and here you can see all the users which has been imported from Zoho. Here we will open one record, and in user information we can see all the information: the first name, the last name, the role, the profile, the Zoho connector, the Zoho user ID, and the failure reason if there is any. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.